The most important English words pronunciation. نطق أهم الكلمات في اللغة الإنجليزية. Ability. Ability. For example, he had a fantastic ability to control the meeting. Able. Able. Example, she was able to control the meeting yesterday. About. About. We have discussed a lot about what happened in the meeting. Above. Above. Did you notice that apple on the tree above us? Except. Except. I think we need to accept their offer due to our critical situation. According. According. According to the results, the coach did a great job. Account. Account. She paid the money into his account this morning. Across. Across. People in the past depended on camels to go across the desert. Act. Act. He knew he had to act quickly. Action. Action. The situation demanded immediate action. Activity. Activity. The police are now monitoring the criminal activity in the area. Actually. Actually. They were shocked to know he could actually fly a plane. Add. Add. Add a little more salt and pepper, please. Address. Address. We have an address and phone number. Administration. Administration. He has a degree in business administration. Admit. Admit. After searching for an hour, she finally had to admit defeat. Adult. Adult. Her books appeal both children and adults. Affect. Affect. The dampness began to affect my health.